Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. You can do it. Today we are going to make a pizza, so let's prepare all the ingredients needed. All the ingredients to make a pizza dough is ready. Let's add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon yeast. Let's mix it thoroughly with this. Let's add half of the hot water, half cup right now, and 3 tablespoons of oil. I prefer olive oil. Now let's add the remaining flour, water, I used yeast in making the dough because it does reaction with the sugar, which is called fermentation, and because of that the dough get raised before putting it in the oven. So we will let this dough remain here for 2 hours and it will get raised. But I didn't use the baking soda because baking soda needs an acidic content in your ingredients. If there is, then it's okay, it will do the puffing thing. And as well as the baking powder, it has the acid contents in itself. So if your ingredients doesn't have any acidic content, then baking powder is the best one, but it only works whenever it's applied with the heat. Like inside oven it works, but on the countertop it's there, you will see no difference at all. I mixed everything for the dough preparation, so we will just cover this one with the plastic. I cover it using a plastic, but also you can also use the clothes or towels just to make it moist, not to get it dry. Half a teaspoon of olive oil. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll add roughly chopped onions. We will fry this onion until it's little brown. The onion looks ready, so we will add the chopped tomato, roughly chopped. You don't have to be so careful about its shape because anyway we're going to blend it. And we will add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So now it's a little bit cooked, so we will add some paprika, and this is for giving a nice color for your pizza sauce. Add some basil leaf, and cook a little bit, and then we will blend this whole thing in a blender. Now our dough looks ready, so we'll just unwrap this plastic, and you can see it's popped up. So all the ingredients to make a 16-inch pizza is ready now. I put some flour on the baking pan so it won't get stick over there. So let's start making the pizza now. Let's spread the dough. We spread the dough evenly now, so we're going to apply the homemade pizza sauce. It's thick and nice. Add some cheese so that it will get stick with all the toppings. Onion, green bell pepper, cherry tomato. I like to spread it evenly so that it looks nice. You can also use other regular tomatoes, but I prefer cherry tomato because it adds a little bit more flavor to your pizza. Mushroom, some jalapeno. If you like it hot, you can add some more. Chicken. Now is my favorite, black olives. Now let's cover this up with the cheese, mozzarella cheese. So let's tap it so that it won't fall off. So we set our oven at 400 Fahrenheit and put a timer for about 20 minutes. And then we just select the heat from the let's select it from the down. Now we'll put our pizza inside the oven for 20 minutes. It's time to remove the pizza now. The delicious pizza is ready now to serve. Chicken.